Good afternoon, everyone. Greg Fisk here, coming to you from JPAR Maryland Living, and welcome to our June Mid-Maryland market update for the brokerage. We're going to go over some of the stats for the greater area of DC Metro, Baltimore metropolitan area. Take a little deeper dive on the Baltimore Metro area, which includes Anne Arundel County, here where we're located in Arnold, Maryland, and also we'll drill down on some Anne Arundel County specific stats as well. So as you can see, June 2020 housing market update, strong buyer demand for both Washington, D.C. and the Baltimore metro areas, very indicative of the DMV in general. Certainly still seeing a strong buyer demand. The median sales price is still being pushed upwards, and the consistent story here is how low inventory levels are. We actually hit a 10-year low in both areas, and we'll take a look at Anne Arundel County as well in particular, but we're at a 10-year low. So median sales prices and new pending home sales set new June records. Again, laws of supply and demand, we're low on inventory, therefore we're putting pressure on the price points. So like I said, we'll take a look at the Baltimore Metro activity June 2020. As you can see, median sales price, $309,000 for June 2020 in the Baltimore Metro area. That's up 3% year over year. And days on market, 14 days. So we're down 3 days. Again, an indicator of that low inventory, very competitive out there on the buy side, also pushing those price points upward. Months of supply for the Baltimore metro area, 1.65, 10-year low for months of supply. So we're looking at the couple of the other extenuating economic indicators. The Baltimore metro real estate continues its strong push. The area's unemployment and the resurgence for the housing market, the area unemployment rate, 9.6% for May, and the national average for interest rates at record lows, ending June at 3.13%. I actually saw an FHA loan for 2.75% and another 30-year fixed at 2.5% last month. So the good news is on the buy side, money is very cheap. We have, the Fed still artificially holding down some of these interest rates for us. So we're easing a little bit of that, the money pressures on money, and the interest rates are very, very, very low, historically low. But again, that's pushing with the inventory rates, pushing some of the sales prices up. All right, so let's take a little bit. Let's go ahead and drill down on those Anne Arundel County numbers. Closed sales for June 2020, 936. 5 years average was 980, so we're not too far off on our 5-year average for closed sales. New pendings were up 1,299 new pendings for June of 2020. Active listings, it's where you can see where our inventory levels are really off. 1,229 active listings, the 5-year June average, and we were coming into this with low inventory levels, 2,321 homes in Anne Arundel County. So our inventory levels were at 1.5 months county-wide, and all real estate is local. Some areas are even lower than that, obviously. So with that being the median inventory level, 1.5, our 5-year average, 3.2 months. And again, kind of reiterating what we've talked about in the past, a balanced market would be anywhere between 5 and 7 months of inventory, so 6 months of inventory. But we're kind of in the new norm, and we have been for quite some time with inventory levels. So again, while you're seeing that price point still pushing strong, still heading north. Look at some of the particular numbers. Median sold sales price for Anne Arundel County, $378,500. We're up 0.5% year over year. Closed sales, again, median days on market for Anne Arundel County, 12 days. We'll go ahead and drill down on that a little bit in some of these charts. So we'll look at that pricing trend. Again, you can kind of take a look. We've been buoyed by the inventory levels on that. We'll take it back, let's say, 4 years. And we've seen steady growth in equity gains across the board for Anne Arundel County and median sold sales prices. Pricing ratio, again, another reflective indicator or metric of the low inventory rate and inventory levels. We're at 100% for June 2020 on sold price to original list price. We're up 1.1% year over year from June 2019. Obviously, if that's the case, we're seeing contracts come in over list price, seeing multiple offers on homes that are priced well, showing well, putting pressure. We're in an evolving and changing market from an appraisal standpoint. So if you have any questions about the appraisals, give us a call at the brokerage and let us know. We can kind of talk with you about that, talk to some of our appraisal vendor partners, and get some answers for you on what that market looks like. We're in a very fluid market, obviously, with everything going on. Days on market, we've talked about that a little bit lately. Baltimore metro area was at 14, extremely low. Anne Arundel County, 12 days, running very similar path with the overall Baltimore metro market, down almost 30% from June of 2019. And we can see that that's been a downward indicator as well. We had our normal winter, and we do run cyclical seasons here in Maryland with the seasons, so you can kind of see what that looks like. But now, again, with this exterior pressure, the pandemic that's going on, and inventory levels being even more greatly affected, we're at 12 days on market before we're seeing contracts. So a very fast moving market. You want to make sure if you're working with your agents, you get your pre-approvals in place, get your financing in place, get all your ducks in a row, and know if you find that house of choice, be ready to pull the trigger on it, because we are seeing, again, multiple offers. Price per square foot, again, overall reflection of where the market's going. Price point wise, $192. The median price per square foot in Anne Arundel County, that's up almost 5% year over year, June from 2019. And again, you can just see where that supply and demand is going. And that's over 4 years. We can take that back. We'll go 8 years. And we are seeing historically low inventory levels. So matching that, though, we've got the easing up on the pressure on the liquidity of the money from some of the banks. So we're seeing some freeing up of some lending with everything going on, which is great to see, and also those historically low interest rates. So again, that's a snapshot of what we're looking at, guys, from a market update for June of 2020. We have a lot going on. Please feel free to give us a call at the brokerage, 410-260-0202, for a free no obligation consultation. Or if we can share some more information, we can drill down on specific areas for you. Any of our agents would be willing to share a market report, neighborhood reports. If you guys want a market analysis on your home's value, right now might be a good time. If you're thinking about selling, take advantage of where the market's at. We're getting peak dollar for homes, again, that are showing well. We've got some great incentives on our listing packages. So homes that are showing well placed within the market, are getting above list price, really getting a really good market value for your home. So again, if you're considering listing your home, give us a call. Drop a comment in the comment box below. This will be posted on our YouTube channel, our Facebook page. And again, we just want to let everyone know we are looking forward to our grand opening next Tuesday, the 28th, from 5 to 7. Please, if you're going to attend, we'll be adhering to the physical distancing rules, and we're also, everyone will be required to wear a mask. We're excited to see everyone. We're going to have the Chamber of Commerce there with some of our local elected officials. We're going to have a snowball truck out back along with a hot dog cart. So we'll proper, again, etiquette with everything going on with COVID. But we're looking forward to it. We're looking forward to servicing and being a part of the community. Again, if you have any questions, market related or otherwise, about real estate, please feel free. We're here as a resource for the community and you as our valued consumer and clients. Again, it's Greg Fisk with JPAR Maryland Living. Hope everyone has a safe day and gets out there and enjoys it. We will be talking to you guys later. Take care.